Welcome, Tom.
Hi, Brian.
My name's Brian Knight and I live near Melbourne, Australia, and it's just turned 5 o'clock in the morning it's a Monday for me. It's actually a public holiday here today. So, yeah, um, that won't affect the market very much, I don't think. It's only a public holiday in the state. So, let's just,
Well, we just had time change here.
oh, oh, you guys have just gone on daylight saving.
Yeah, we're actually an hour ahead.
So what time is it now? There now.
It's 11 o'clock now. Used to be 10 at our meeting time.
Okay. Rightio. Well, I don't know, I think we've got a few more weeks before we come off daylight saving. So it'll be this time for a little while until it changes. Anyway, we'll see how we go. Let me just share this screen though to start with. Have you been able to get onto the Facebook?
No, I got to
Yes.
create a new account.
Oh no.
Yeah,
Why?
I have no idea. Facebook shut down. I cannot log back in, and every time I try, they're like, "Oh, your user's been something or another." I forget what it says exactly, but
Yeah.
yeah, it won't let me on.
God. Okay, fair enough. Oh, tell me when so I can put you in the list. So we'll just see.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is just a welcome to this Forex analysis session. There is also a full risk disclosure there and a little bit about us as live session traders. Let's go to the chart so we can see. How'd you go last week, Tom? Was it
Pretty good. I broke even basically.
okay? Well, that's a bit rough, isn't it?
No, not at all.
Okay. No, it's okay. Yeah, so it's non-farm payroll really did push things around a little bit, and
Hmm.
definitely a lot further. Like on the AUDs, it pushed it a lot further than what it normally, um, you know, with signals and stuff here. It did push higher. Um, See what happens when the market opens. Um, it looks like it is still on the buy from a daily perspective. So any sells uh, will be it'll be difficult for it to break the lows, or that strong low, and more likely just to pull down and then come back up again. Um, I don't know. I don't think it's quite ready for the turn. It would have come straight up to this sort of previous, not what is it, a gap, and then there's another up here or further up. Anyway, so this interesting, isn't it? See that it took quite a while there though. It did. We had a signal for sell, and then it basically pulled down to here, came back, retested, and then off it went again. Um, what are your thoughts, Tom? What have you got on this for you?
I'm waiting for a significant push down. I think it's going to come up maybe just a little bit this week, but not much.
Yeah.
I already have a change of character on the daily, and
Oh,
I have my
yeah.
first set of triangles on the daily after the change of the character.
Yeah.
So I could see it pushing up just a little bit more into Tuesday, and then dropping out.
Okay.
I'm
There's a
already
little.
past I'm already past uh, the white rails on the hourly, and the yellow rails have pocketed now.
Yeah,
So
in here.
yeah, so now I'm slow walking it. So let it form. It's either going to create a head and shoulders or an inverted head and shoulders, then we're going to drop.
Yeah, okay. Fair enough. I agree with you. AUD Um, I
I'm in this
don't,
one.
you're in it for the sell already.
Uh-huh.
Because I looked at this, we still have no red. Not that you have to, but it's pocketed in here. It's in the gap. Um, we've been having some really warm, some hot weather here. Oh, it's dry and hot. Um, the last few days have been probably won't mean much to you, but they're up around the 39 degrees, which is like, I don't know, 100 and whatever. Hang on a minute, I'll just have a look. Oh, 102, 102.2 Fahrenheit. Um, so
102.
yeah,
Wow.
and today's going to be just under, it'll probably be about 100 today, and then we'll see because it's as early.
That's warm.
Oh yeah, she warm, don't worry. Yeah, and it's also we have really dry heat where I live normally, and so it's it's really hot.
Wow.
But that's nothing. It'll get so that's 102 for 39. I don't know what. Like, yeah, another if you go to another state, they're getting up in the high 40s, so it's another 10 degrees on that even. But well, yeah, so it's been a bit difficult to bear the last few days. Anyway, today should be what is it? Not the last, but it should be one of the hot ones until we'll get a change. Tomorrow it will be a little bit less, and then it'll drop down a little bit, but not a lot. So we're in autumn anyway. Um,
That's kind of why I live in, that's why I want to live where I do in San
yeah.
Francisco, because it's, you know, a hot day here is in the high 80s. It's usually right down around the 50s and 60s. It's always cool here.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, well, in winter we'll get -4, which is what's that, 30, what's this? -4. Oh, yeah, what is it? Hmm. Yeah, 24.8 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yeah, it never reaches that here.
Yeah. Well, it'll get down to that in our winter, but then it's
Yeah,
like, what do we got?
cold here. Cold here in winters in like
Yeah.
the high 40s.
Yeah. So over in WA here, place it'll get to 49. So that's 120 Fahrenheit.
Yeah. See, that's why I like that tepid weather right in the middle all the time.
Yeah. Well, you should be nearly retired, shouldn't you, with that sort of temperature?
I'm trying.
Okay, no worries. Well, let's see. AUDCHF, you're already in this. I think it'll push a little bit further up, and it may not, but you know, again,
Again, there's the story. On the daily, I already have a change of character. I
yeah,
have two sets of different arrows, the yellows and the whites, which I don't count on the yellows anymore. I just use the whites.
on the
On the
daily
on the
you've got
hour,
whites already.
oh yeah, and on the hourly, I have a white candle, and it's already formed a head and the left shoulder and the
Yeah,
head.
yeah,
It's
yeah,
forming right now the pullback for the other
right.
shoulder, and I'm looking
Yeah,
for a
and
drop.
then to
If it goes a
sell.
little
Yeah,
bit higher, it does.
Have you got different settings or something now on the daily? Because mine's nowhere near the white rail for the,
Let me look.
and if you
On
got
my
yellow,
daily, I have 100 weighted, 100,
hang on, hang
2.8,
on, hang on,
4
hang on.
and 1.
Well, in the envelope you have a 80 and 2.
Oh,
Yeah,
no. On the envelope, it is, yeah, 80 and 2, closed,
yeah,
repainting, smoothing.
yeah. And then on the X48,
It's the
ah,
100
oh
weighted,
yeah, yeah, because I
100.
got the 56. This is the, yeah. Okay, okay. Hang on, I'll just go to the
I
other
think you're
one.
using Darren's setting.
Yeah, I was looking at it. I had it, but I didn't change it back, did I? Uh, where is, okay, hang on, get rid of that. Oh gosh. We're going, oh yeah, I'll get rid of those trim bars. Oh, there's the X48 there. Yeah, 100 weight, 100, 2.8. Oh, no. Mine's nowhere near it.
I
It
don't
did
know.
did bring it in a bit, but you have, okay. Oh, you've also got what's his name turned on, don't you?
What's his
Smart
name?
Smart Money Concepts.
Yes.
Uh, let's see on that Smart Money. Um, Premium discounts. Where's the where is it showing? What did you have? You said you had?
On which one?
Oh, the you had. You've got this turned on, have you? Fresh
I'm on
off.
my phone. I can't see what you're pointing at.
No, that's all right. That's all right. Oh yeah, you're on the phone. That's right. No, you said you had change a character or break a structure. Trying to work out where internet blocks, weak high, swing structure, least bearish, no. Into, yes. Okay, there it is. I think it's internal. Yeah, it is breakers. Yeah, there we go. So you already got to break a structure. Yeah, is that what you said? If you're looking on
Uh,
your computer. But AUDCHF.
yeah. What time frame are you on?
Daily.
Oh, on the daily, yeah, I have a change of character.
You have changed your character, not break a structure.
Right, but it's over to the left.
This one over here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I did a
Now I've got,
pullback. It's pushing. So
yeah, now it's
think
done
of
it.
that
Now it's done a
pullback like
breaker structure though.
right. So think of it like that you got to change a character. The first
Mm-hmm.
push is a shoulder, and now it pushed
Mm-hmm.
back up, broke the high, creating the head,
Mm-hmm.
and now I'm
I
looking for a push
pull back.
down,
Yeah,
and then
yeah,
it's
yeah,
going
yeah.
to do a pullback for the
Yeah,
other
yeah.
shoulder, and down we
Okay.
go. That's what it's
Radio.
created on the hourly.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. but it's nowhere near the top rail
On the hourly,
on the daily.
mine's out the top of the rail on the daily. I've got I've got
Hang on. Let's go
two
look at that
triangles on the
exfoliate
daily.
again. Did you say 100 weighted 100 2.8? No.
4 and 1, yeah.
How could it be outside the rail? It's nowhere near the rail for me.
I I don't know. I can't
No, no,
answer
no,
that.
it's all right. No, I know you can't. It's okay. I'm not asking you to.
It's got to be different feeds. It's got to be. That's the only thing that's different. Because I've seen you have candles that just don't exist on my timeline.
Yeah, I know. And you've got candles that do exist.
Yeah.
Yes, nowhere near the
You know,
rails.
if I can make a suggestion, I would go back through yours and don't use my settings. I would sit and adjust your settings specifically for your feed.
Yeah, yeah, you can see it up there. So that's the thing, I reckon. Let's go here. Let's try that.
I would keep the 2.8, the 4, and the 1. I would adjust.
Mm,
I would adjust 100.
ready? Okay.
Try like 80.
Oh, hey, Grace.
Hello.
Well, maybe 80 doesn't. How are you? Hmm. Yeah, it's so different.
Yeah, I would click on it. Just it gives you arrows on the side, right, of the 100, where you could just click it up and down.
What do you mean?
Well, open your toggle back up.
Yeah, hang on. Just wait. I just changed the true range, which I think, yeah, that pulls that in a bit too. Okay, toggle. What do you mean? Here?
Yeah, see where it says 100?
Y-
Yeah, see the arrows next to it?
Ah, right. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah,
I
yeah.
just
No,
click the hell out of those, just down, 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 down until you see the line moving and it comes into
yeah.
the area you want it to be in.
Mm, mm.
That's how I manipulate the settings on mine. So I can actually visually see. I pull the whole box over to the right and cover the
Yeah,
pairs just so I can see the screen. And then I just click and work it down until it gets to where I need it to be.
yeah. That's fair enough. I'll do that off this, but if I change that to 70, no? Oh gosh. Okay. Well, no, not a change on that. Anyway, on the daily, your I I can only go by what I on my feed, obviously. It's weird, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, that's the way it is. We had that big push up, down, another signal push back up, didn't break the high, came back down again, didn't break the low, push back and up. So on the daily, I still think there's more room for it to push up, and it could. And so it doesn't matter to you because you're not going to be in the trade if it's if it is.
If I stop out, I stop out.
Yeah.
But I know it's getting close. So now I just ride that yellow rail watching the pocket.
Yeah, in here in the gap. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So looking for a
I did that
sellout on
last
that.
week. I got
Hmm.
stopped out of one and it pushed up and it pushed up and it pushed up. And I waited till the pocket was broken and it pushed out the white rail. So I just sat and I waited. And the minute it came back into the pocket, I looked for a trade.
Yeah.
Bearish engulfing candle coming out of the pocket, hopped
Yeah.
in and took a nice trade.
Mm, lovely. Okay. AUD JPY then. Wow. Totally opposite, isn't it? Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Look at the Japanese yen strength up here now. So the Aussie dollar against the CAD and the Swiss franc have been strong, potentially sell out. The Japanese yen is already sold out. Let's put in. Oh, I never put the Tuesday there. That's interesting. Have a look. Hang on, we'll put this Tuesday. That Tuesday, and I'm going to put the Tuesday over here. Pushed up and then back. Okay. So it's looking like it's coming to this Tuesday. We don't have any on the alley. We don't have any sort of triangles yet. Pushed up a bit. It says strong low there. It broke out the bottom there though. Oh no, it didn't. Oh yeah, it did. Broke out the bottom. Okay. There's nothing. Oh, there's nothing there to necessarily signal yet, but we can wait for that. ADNZD. God, look at that. Just kept pushing up. I was in that and I got out.
To the buy.
I got in out of it for the sell. I was in the sell from over here somewhere. I think it was. I can't remember. It was last week, a week before. Now it's getting ready potentially for the sell, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. You got white triangles on the daily. You got to change a character.
You got white triangles. Look at it. It's still the same. It's nowhere near it. Okay.
Now on the hourly, you got to change a character. You
Yeah.
just swept buy side liquidity. You're in the pocket. You created the shoulder
Yeah.
and the head. You got
Yeah.
a shoulder pulling back right now.
Yeah.
I'm
Right.
looking for a tumble here.
Yeah. For the sell. Yep. Okay.
The only thing I don't have is the white triangle on the hourly, but I'm not living or dying by it. So
Really? Okay.
yeah.
Mm-hmm. Look at this imbalance down here.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, AUD Singapore, has that already started? See the push back up again here on the alley? Look at that. And is that because of the weak high? It changed the character, it pushed up and then just pushed up further again, dropped out right down to here, past that, and then are we now in the cell? Anyway, I'll see what happens when the market
Kind of
opens.
looks like a fake out.
This one,
Yeah, you see that long white candle?
yeah,
I would expect it to pull back up a little bit.
yeah.
before it drops out. You might even get a new high. I don't trade this pair.
No, I know you don't. Yeah, I do. Actually
Yeah.
looks, but on the daily looks just weird. We get used to what these. Anyway, yeah, over here it's sort of still going crazy sideways. Right, yeah, AUD USD, which is my sort of benchmark with the Aussie dollar, and I'd say it's well out of the white rail. Just got to wait for it to produce itself. There you go. Yeah, we got red, 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 red for the last day of
Mm-hmm.
trading. And you're right again. We've got in the pocket, yeah, and then just pushed up higher, created a poked right up, and then come back down like a fake. You see where it's pushed up and then back down again. Faking right. Whether it's
Yeah.
going to go up, whether it's going to go down.
Well, you have all the characteristics of it. It's supposed to be moving down now. You got change character on both
Yeah.
hourly and daily. You got triangles on both sides. All I'm waiting for now is to have it break uh, either either the white rail or the yellow rail with a bearish engulfing candle, and then I'm in.
Okay. Yeah. Let's see how it opens up. Market. And yeah. Okay. CAD CHF. So there, all AUDs are worth looking at after market open, I think. Once
Everything
the
but the AUDJPY. It's not
Correct,
ready.
yeah. No, 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 no. That's right. Everything but. So here is the CAD CHF. I'm pretty sure Darren's in this for the sell. I think it's this one, yeah. I got into it for the sell, got some, and then it poked back up again. Got out. That was that. Oh, let's put the Tuesday in. Should be here somewhere. Here we go. Now look at the imbalance back down here too. Poked
Mm-hmm.
down but didn't come. Poked down, didn't come. It's like, yeah,
Yeah, on the daily and the hourly, they're both center mass. So it's
yeah, I
like,
know.
yeah, let it pick one side or another. I'm not
Yeah,
losing
okay.
anything.
Yeah, but it's been going like up and down, but really sideways. It hasn't really
Right.
made. Well, Darren's got it with his rails. Where let me turn that one off and turn one on, which is his. But he never came out of the rail, but gave us a short. It's like I always thought it was a bit. He said it disappeared, which is fair enough. Anyway, I think I'll leave it on his settings just for the minute. Or our original sort of settings. Yeah. Okay, CAD JPY. Look at this is well out of the rails. Well, pocket, pocket, pocket. But the push-ups are only small. So really, if it does push up, right, it may just drop back out pretty quick. Even at sort of we got yellow greens, it pushed up there, then just dropped straight back out. So, and I think it's definitely on the sell on the daily. So I'm going to wait just for this to pull back up, make whatever its high is, put in a sell stop, and then get in for the sell on it. Weird, isn't it? When you're getting those arrows, the turn there. That was like 2 weeks ago. Made the high and then just dropped down. Okay, so for me, yeah, let's see how far it can pull up and then follow up with a sell stop on it. What do you got, Tom? Are you gonna CAD J?
Yeah, I'm looking for a buy.
Yeah, I don't think I'd do it very long. Okay, no worries. Well, you don't have
All
to
it's
be
got to
into it
do
very
for
long.
me is just get to the other side of the rails.
Yeah, up there. I
Hmm.
don't even think it'll make it there. I think it'll
It
make
may
it to
not.
it may make it over to the midline.
Yep.
CHF JPY. Look at that. Both of those sellouts. We'll see that might only make it to, let's say, middle of the rail again. Yeah. See, it only made it to the middle of the rail and then drop back out, even after green triangles. Although be white for you. All right, so up again and then ready for the sell. I'm going to put that one in there as a purple as well. Let's put this one for Tuesday. There. I reckon it'll pull back up Tuesday and then start going back down again. Okay, in the euros, Euro AUD. Whoa. A lot of them are just keep breaking these lows. You're like, it's either high or low, but like look at this. It said it was going to buy, it did, but then it just didn't even make it to the middle of the rail. Then it just dropped back out again. So that's the euro. I think sideways because you can see these are relatively on the alley, relatively equal strengths. We're going to have something sort of go different here for it to either push back up or drop off. I think we'll
Well,
have a buy.
I'm
Yeah,
in this for a buy.
yeah, I think it'll buy absolutely. Um, yeah, you're in it already. Yeah, I'm just going to
Hmm.
wait for the pullback when the market opens and then get potentially into that. Okay, Euro CAD. Wow, that's already pushed up because CAD's and yeah, missed that. All right, let's have a look and see where Tuesday is. There, 8 a.m. UK. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this one's a just wait and see. I'm not going to do anything with that. Euro CHF. Yeah, we'll just sit next to each other again in the middle. Euro GBP. Okay, there's a change coming here. Oh, look at that big drop back down. Okay, it'll be well out of the rail here. We're going to get, yeah, some greens. All right, I'll have a look at that one.
And
I
there's
don't
news
like it.
coming up on the 12th,
Oh, unemployment rate and GDP month on month. Okay.
which is Tuesday.
Yeah. It's Tuesday. Yeah, right there before. Okay. All right, it might be a play round. All right, then we'll just wait for that. Euro JPY, same thing. Yeah.
Hmm.
Well, not the same, sorry, but similar. There's not there's not the news. Hang on. Ah, it was yeah, okay, rich pen news. Okay, Euro JPY. Look at that. Yeah, that one's ready to have a look at. Euro NZD. These look like they're all sirs. On this one, not so much.
I caught that one.
You got that buy?
I got the sell
Oh, where? Oh, the
at the top
sell there.
out of the Tuesday.
Okay, yeah, out of that Tuesday. Yeah, okay. Well done.
Thanks.
We're going to have another Tuesday here. Okay. All right. Let's see where that sits. I'm not going to do too much at this point. Euro Singapore. No, you don't trade this pair. But change of character week. I think, yeah, but that's in the middle. I'm not going to do that as either. Euro USD. Oh, ready for the sell. It'll be outside the white rail, but we do have a weak high. Oh, yeah, the last day created a light. Okay. Oh, that's going to be interesting. Had some red ones there and only pulled back down a bit. All right. Where is Tuesday? There. May push a bit further before it does drop. Okay. Now, British pounds, GA. That's already made its move.
I'm in this one too.
It may do a little, yeah, it may do a little pullback to the center and then go back into the buy.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'll look at that one as well. But I'm a bit late to the party on that one. And that moved at New York where I know it moved at London and then continued in New York. All right. I was a little preoccupied at the end of the trading week anyway. There was a lot going on.
Excuse me.
GBP CAD, that's way out. Okay, let's have a look at that. Says week high, CAD's way down. And I think it'll push up higher. Where's Tuesday? That's where the news is. Well, we're either going to push it further up or are we going to get a sellout on it? GBP CHF. Yeah, Alice's forecast there. Hit, came back out, went through it. It's in the pocket. We got yellows. All right. Just need to watch that one for the sell. We'll see. If it pushes further up, it might get you into the trade anyway. GBP JPY. Wow. See, it's same sort of thing as AUD JPY. It's still pushing down. It's opposite to everything else. Well, not everything, but a lot of the other trades.
I'm into this one as well.
Yeah, for the sell.
For the buy.
Okay. Right, yeah. I'm going to mark that to come back and have a look at that one as well because we're there Tuesday. Yeah. See, look at it. Come back to the middle, pulled away, back down the rail, back up again. Pretty radical, that one. GBP NZD in the middle. Too late for that. GBP Singapore. Let's look for the sell. It's going to be outside the white rail as well. Okay, let's have a look at that one. Yep. Okay, GBP USD. Same. This will be well out of the rail. Said it was going to sell it, bought. And if you even put a sell stop in and it just pushed up, it didn't matter. You'd have to readjust. Okay, NZDs, NCAD. I'm not sure if that's outside the white rail yet. It is. Yep. Okay. and NZDCHF. It's not, we've got to change the character. I think yeah, it's already taken out that imbalance, so get ready for the sell, but it's not anywhere near. I'm still going to mark this to have a look at though. NZDJPY. See all the JPYs? We'll keep
Mm-hmm.
pushing down.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And you?
I have it for a buy.
NU for a buy or
NJ.
NZDJPY? NJ. Okay. For a buy. All right. Yeah. But yeah. You'll have to work a little bit more. NU for the sell.
Mm-hmm. This one may
Okay.
come back.
Yeah, exactly.
It missed the buy side liquidity at the top.
Came up and matched that. Look at it.
Yeah, it
Perfect.
just missed it.
Then dropped off. So that's what you're saying. It could, I think, I've got this imbalance up here that I'm looking at it to maybe come to and then back down. So I just watched that. Singapore Japanese yen, you probably don't trade it. It had been in the buy for so long now, it's the sells, right? So I'm looking at potentially this to pull up where the right rail will have a green here. So pull back up maybe to the mid and then back down again. Nope, it's not going to do it. Yeah, let's just go to 4 hourly and then back to the hourly again. You'll see it's well out of the white rail.
Which one?
Singapore Japanese yen, you don't trade it. Yeah.
Right. Okay.
So UCAD,
I'm in it for the buy.
yeah, I was going to say you would be. I was going to put a Tuesday in because I think there'll be it's going to be a pullback before we get the buy. So if it pulls back enough, I can put a buy stop in for it. See, look at it, just come to the middle and then pull away. Come to the middle, pull away. Hmm. USD CHF. Oh, that's in the same situation. All right then.
I missed this one.
For the buy, yeah.
Yeah.
That's all right. You'll let them miss a few if you're in. I'll leave. And UJ
Well,
will
what's
be
funny is it was the
the
time of
seller.
day, and I was like, it's 10 a.m., 12 a.m. Uh,
Yeah.
sorry, it was 10 a.m. on a Friday, and I was like, it's not going to go far, and it popped back up.
Yeah. Yeah, but look at it like boing, boing. The old turtle soup, it just took out stop losses, and then just went back up.
Mm-hmm.
And then buggers. Um, and UJ again is buy, 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 and it just sell, 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 sell.
Mm-hmm.
But I think it is in the sell. I mean, you put a sell stop in on this one. It will
I'm in
buy
it for a
maybe back a
buy.
bit. Yeah, I know you would be, but I think it'll be short-lived, to be honest.
It
Right,
may be.
USD Singapore, same thing for a buy. Actually, I'm going to watch that one because that one's ready to push. And what is gold? Oh my gosh, 2,178. Thank you very much. It's hey, look at it over here on the daily. It's like I think it's getting ready to sell because it's poked up out of the purple now on the daily. Yeah. And I think also here, I mean, that changes, of course. And here it was going to sell, 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 and it didn't. It just bought. Well, sorry, it did sell, but just turned around and went back up again. Didn't even make it to oh no, it made it to the middle. Gee, it's well out. It's in that whole pocket of the envelope, isn't it? Okay, and Bitcoin, what did it do? Oh, back up at 69. Oh, look at that. It did that. It did that drop off and now push back up again. Made another new high. Oh, well, there we go. That's enough for this week to have a look and see what's happening. Look, just incredible that push up. Look at that from on the daily. Back from 25th of January, straight up, virtually. A little bit of a hiatus there and the daily's saying sell, sell, sell. Get a fair bit of falter on the yeah. All right, let's go. We've got heaps to look at. Ready for
Mm-hmm.
market open. All right then. You're in a number of them. I'm yet to get into a few, but I'll wait till after it settles down the market and look at that. I mean, you've been
Yeah,
getting opportunities in the first sort of start of the week, so
right. Yeah, I'm in 7 right now, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 set up to trade, 12 set up to trade,
yeah,
and two with I'm watching closely for them to just start the process.
adds buy stops or sell stop.
Yeah.
Mostly, yeah, okay, yeah, same here. That's what I'm using. All right, no worries. All right, I better get into my day a bit. We'll see how we go. I've got that's my Uter pulled off the left hand. It's yeah, had an issue with a little squeaky noise on the left side. The strut up through the top plate on the left side had been flogging out the top plate and squeaking and wearing out the bush. So
Uh-oh.
well, I'm in the middle of changing it over this weekend, Liz. It's a good public holiday today, so I can sort of finish it off. I've only got another hour or so to do on it. But in
Yeah,
the
just be careful
hot
with that
weather,
heat.
yeah, I try to do it first thing in the morning.
Yeah.
Got to get out and get water out to the stock again today, so we'll see. All right then, mate.